Hi, renovators. So, I just discuss on what are the steps on commercial unit naman for renovations. So, let's go. So, for step number one, if your commercial unit is inside a village or subdivision, ask for the village admin or yung pinaka-admin ng subdivision on the commercial unit renovations. Ngayon, kung nasa townhouse din yung commercial unit, is ask also the townhouse admin or association. Then, if your commercial unit naman is nasa barangay, ask your local barangay about the commercial unit renovations also. And ito ang pinaka-typical. So, ang commercial unit nyo is nasa loob ng building or condominium na commercial type. So, better ask and go to your admin for the building engineer about the construction or renovation guidelines. So, ayun. Then, for step number 2 is, of course, get a contractor like us to have an estimate of costing for your commercial unit. Then, step number 3, so choose a contractor for your commercial unit. So ayun, sinasabi ko is maglalabas ako ng other episode ng kumbaga guidelines to choose a contractor. Okay? So later ko na lang i-discuss yun. Pero yun. Then step number 4, ask your contractor for the 3D perspective or of your commercial unit, and also ask for the swatches. So pag sinabing swatches, ito yung parang mga sample ng materials na gagamitin sa commercial unit nyo. So for example, itong picture na to, ayan, so yan yung typical swatches. So ayan yung kumbaga is pipili kayo kung anong type of material na gusto nyong gamitin sa commercial unit nyo. Then, for step number 5, of course, forward the plans or designs to your admin, of course. Then, ask also your admin if it needs a building permit from the local government unit pa or hindi na. So better ask if ever, especially for the commercial unit na nasa loob ng building, kung kailangan pa ng building permit ng LGU, just to be sure. Ngayon kung hindi na at yung building admin na lang or building engineer, di mas maganda. Pero always ask, remember this, na always ask the building engineer kung kailangan pa, kasi sila nakakaalam kasi mahirap yung masitakan ng local government unit, especially sa mga commercial unit, medyo mahigpit din sila dyan Then step number 6, of course, get your work permit from building engineer or village admin or local barangay. So step number 7 is start your unit renovation commercial. So yun, so hopefully is nakatulong tong mga renovation tips about commercial units. So again, ang masasabi ko lang is this one is only a brief or summary ng commercial unit renovation na steps, kasi medyo maproseso rin tsaka madugo, especially pag may mga permits na needed from LGU. So yun din, minention ko rin last time, mostly pag kailangan mo ng building permit from LGU is kailangan mo pa yung approval from City Engineering Department. okay, of your LGU. So pero pag sa commercial spaces, much better ask your admin kasi yan ang mga was talagang knowledgeable about it. So ayun, hopefully nakatulong ito sa inyo sa pag-start nyo ng renovation commercial unit. So pag may any other questions or comments, you can just also message me so I can whatever help you, and subscribe to our page and also check our social media. So ayun, renovators, so thank you.